Number 1. 2026 Winnebago Motorhome. No major 2026 Winnebago Motorhome reviews were available in May 2025. Recent 2025 model information suggests 2026 features and enhancements may be carried over. Spirit 26 T family-friendly class. C Motorhome. Winnebago 2025. Spirit 26T Class C Ford E450 gas motorhome with 350 horsepower, 7.3-liter V8. Two slide-outs extend this 28-foot 5-inch model's living area. The queen bed, cab-over bunk, U-shaped dinette, and sofa bed sleep 6. Corian countertops, 3-burner cooktop, 8.0 cubic foot double-door fridge, freezer, flip-up counter extension, with 24 by 32 shower, lavatory, medicine cabinet, and foot pedal toilet. The 32-inch HD TV has an amplified digital antenna, DVD player, and USB connections. HVAC, 15,000 BTU, heating, 30,000 BTU. Tire pressure monitoring, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and front collision warning are safety features. At $166,340, the Spirit 26T pampers traveling families. 2025 Winnebago View 24T, modern features. The Mercedes-Benz Sprinter-based Winnebago View 24T Class C motorhome is elegant and sophisticated. Key features: touchscreen HVAC, lighting, and tank levels on Winnebago Connect. 4 people sleep in Queen Murphy and cab-over beds. Kitchen, 2-burner induction, Shocks LP stove, huge fridge, microwave convection oven. Entertainment, 32-inch LED HD TV, JBL Bluetooth soundbar, digital antenna. 15,000 BTU AC, heat pump, 20,000 BTU furnace. Safety features include lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot warnings, and a digital rearview mirror. The View 24T, a 2025 RV for couples or small families, is comfortable and technologically advanced. VW Vista 26 HE is fast. Class C maneuverability and Class A space define the Winnebago Vista 26 HE RV. Key features: Ford F-53 with 362 horsepower Triton, 6.8-liter V10. Features include 38 by 73 dinette slide-out, queen-size back bedroom, split bathroom, and kitchen with double sink, 3-burner stove, and overhead storage. Entertainment, 32-inch Studio HD TV, auto drop-down loft bed, 14,800 BTU AC, 30,000 BTU furnace. Large and comfortable, the Vista 26HE Class A motorhome costs $87,217 base MSRP. Looking ahead to 2026, few Winnebago RV 2026 specifications exist, however they may develop on 2025. Smart technology, energy efficiency, and comfort are expected. Official Winnebago releases and authorized dealers provide the most accurate 2026 model information. Number 2. 2026 Aston Martin Motorhome. Racing luxury RVs include the 2026 Aston Martin Motorhome. The unique Aston Martin campervan 2026 blends premium vehicle style and performance with high-end campervan comfort and convenience. Leisure vehicle, structure, and features. With a brand-specific grille and LED lighting, the 2026 Aston Martin Motorhome is sleek and aerodynamic. Leather furnishings, a huge living space with a convertible dinette, a fully equipped kitchen, and a lovely bathroom with a separate shower and toilet are available in the cabin. The 28-foot-long, 12-foot-tall RV can carry passengers and freight. Effectiveness and capability. The 2026 Aston Martin Motorhome has 600 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque from a 5.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine. RVs have 8-speed automatics with manual shifters. Aston Martin Motorhomes should score 12 to 18 miles per gallon combined in 2026. Tech and human safety RVs have many ADAS. ADAS include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. Inform, entertain. The motorhome's entertainment system includes a 16-speaker premium audio system, a 10.25-inch touchscreen with GPS, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The 2026 Aston Martin Motorhome is estimated to start at $800,000 and increase depending on personalization and choices. Accessibility. Multiple global markets will receive the motorhome in the second half of 2026. Luxury RV 2026. Aston Martin Motorhome mixes racing with comfort and efficiency. Due to its strong V8 engine, cutting-edge technology, and opulent amenities, this RV is ready for the utmost in road luxury and adventure.